Do you know you can be a millionaire within a short period of time? Ask me why. Pig farming is one of the lucrative and prolific farming that gives 15 to 35% returns on investments within a short period of time. The business, one mature sow, that is the female pig, can farrow, that is give birth 4 times in a year, and it can litter between 10 to 20 piglets. So I can take an average of 12 piglets and multiply it by 4 times in a year. That means I will have 48 piglets a year. The market value of piglets ranges from 30 to 40